In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set this up, how to choose the right pricing method, and how to present it clearly at checkout so customers understand what they're paying and when to expect their order. Start on your Wix dashboard. From there, open Settings. Inside the Settings area, go to Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This is where all your delivery profiles and rates live, organized by the regions you serve. Locate the international section if that's the area you want to edit, and open it so we can create a new shipping option for that region. Click at another rate, then choose shipping. This creates a shipping method your customers can select during checkout. Next, Wix will ask how you want to calculate the price. You can choose a flat rate, a rate by weight, or a rate by price. Flat rate charges everyone the same amount, which is simple and predictable. Rate by weight is useful if your products vary a lot in heaviness and carrier costs scale accordingly. Rate by price can encourage larger carts by adjusting fees based on order value. For this walkthrough, select flat rate so we can set a single, straightforward fee. Give your shipping option a clear name at checkout, like standard shipping or economy. Customers will see this label at checkout, so keep it short and descriptive. Then add an estimated delivery time, for example, 3 to 5 business days. Be realistic and include your handling